Okay, now for the next step, let us add the roof. I'm going to go to level 2 flow, and then here you can see that we do not have a view of the level 1 layout. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to underlay, and then I will activate level 1 flow, and now I have the overall layout of the level 1. Then I will go to roof, and I will choose basic roof generic 125 millimeters, and then I will use rectangular method with an offset of 50 centimeters. And what I will do, I will pick this corner here, and I will do it all the way to this corner here, and then I will hit finish, and I will look in the 3D. This is not the one, and this is what we see in the 3D. And when I select this roof, you can see that it's a little bit below. Now when I click edit and then go to this line here, check define slope, and then add 5 as the slope, then hit OK. Now the roof goes a little bit up. I'm going to select it, and then I will put a minus 50 centimeters so that the roof goes a little bit below. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to select all these walls here, all these walls here, cancel that, and then I will go to attach base, and I'll click on this roof here, and all those are going to be cut. Now this one here is covering all the parking and also the gardens, which I do not want right now. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this roof. Let's go to level 2, and then go to vertical opening, and then I will go to this area here. I will pick the roof, and then I will go with a rectangular method, and after that I'll pick the roof. I will leave an offset here, and I will extend this a little bit and hit OK. Now if I go to 3D, you can now see that there is this offset. Okay, now let's go and make another opening. Let's go to level 2. I will leave an opening on this side here. So what I'm going to do is to go to vertical opening and pick the roof again and use a rectangular method. I don't think I will use a rectangular method. Okay, that's also right. Now what am I going to do? I'm going to pick a point somewhere here, leaving a certain offset, and then I will pick it from some points here like this. hit OK, and maybe I will edit this sketch a little bit. I will extend it outside the roof and hit OK. Now go to thumbnail here. You can see the roof is no longer there. And now I'll fix the same thing on this area here. I'm going to level 1 again, and I will go to vertical opening, and what I will do, I will pick the roof again and I will use opening. And what I'm going to do now is to pick this point here all the way to this point. And now what I will do, I will extend this line here and hit finish. And now our roof looks like this one. This is what we really wanted. And now let us add the roof fascia. We're going to go to roof again, click, and then we choose the roof fascia here, and I'll go to HD fascia. Let me go check this one. I'm going to choose the longest possible. This is the one, and make sure it's a white color. And then I will go on and start to place the roof fascia. I'm going to start from this point here all the way to up. Finish this one and pick another point here, and all the points, and finish our roof fascia in this position here. Cursor tries to finish this one. You can see there is a little extension here. I'm going again to roof fascia, and I place one here, but I do not really want it to extend all the way there. I'm going to select it. Okay, and then I will pick this part here, stretch it all the way up to here, and I will do the same here. Go to the roof fascia and pick this part here. It has extended all the way down. Now what I'm going to do is to pick this one, the fascia here, and what I will do, just align it with this line here, and we're done with this roof fascia here. Okay, now this is time for exercise about roof. What you are going to do, you are going to go to level 2, and then first of all you will create another wall here that is going to cover up this space here. That wall is going to be 120 centimeters high, and then you will put a roof on the top of these walls. So you can see that these walls are 100, it is actually 100 centimeters above the roof. So this roof is going to be 100 centimeters above the roof. After that, you will give it an angle of 5 degrees.